Let's deal with the elephant in the room, or really, more appropriately, the donkey in the room, which is this whole conversation about electability. It is not a new conversation for me. This is a topic that has been raised in every campaign I have won. Emphasis on won. My mother taught me that service to others gives life purpose and meaning. She probably could have never imagined that I would be standing before you now and speaking these words. I accept your nomination for Vice President of the United States of America.
Kamala Harris!
People from the beginning every time would say, oh, nobody like you has done this before. Not your time, not your turn. They're not ready for you. They're not ready for this. And I didn't listen. The American people did not listen either. $400,000
He said he's
a
going to
year.
repeal the Trump tax cuts.
Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking.
Wait.
I'm speaking. The American people have the ability to see what can be unburdened by what has been, which is to ask people to imagine and believe in something that has not happened before.